Hi, my name is Jane Antonovich, and we are back at Leah's house looking at her master bathroom. So, as you can see in the before picture of Leah's bathroom, it was original, tile, vanity, and really in need of some love. So here's what we did. We took it all out and started over. And I think one of the biggest things is adding this beautiful shibori wallpaper. Feels very organic, feels global, and it's also an eye-opener in the morning. Who needs coffee when you're walking into this gorgeous orange wallpaper? We pulled out the vanity and added a freestanding vanity so that the room actually feels a little bigger. As you can see, there's space underneath. And just having that room underneath, because the vanity has legs, makes the room feel a lot bigger. And even that open shelf at the bottom for her towels makes the room feel a lot bigger. This vanity has room for everything that she needs. We also added this very organic tile to the floor, pebbles, very flat pebbles. In that same vein that the wallpaper feels organic and kind of wabi-sabi, so do these floor tiles. In addition, the mirror has this very sort of rough hewn look to it. And then, as we like to do, the very modern lighting with the soft frosty globes helps the lighting in here feel just perfect for getting ready in the morning. And on this side of the bathroom, you can see that we continued from her bedroom the idea of adding things in twos. So these gorgeous watercolor birds facing each other really make a nice addition to this bathroom. And the shower. So one of the things about this bathroom was that the shower had been broken, and I believe she said for many, many years. So it was just not being used. And anytime there's broken plumbing in your home, broken anything really in your home, it is a big drag on your energy, and it just feels like a downer. So we added this, we continued the pebbles right into the shower, and we added this gorgeous orange glass tile on the ceiling and on all three walls of this shower, and fixed the leak and the plumbing so that now this is a beautiful, fully functioning shower that she just loves to use. So even though these upgrades were big upgrades, maybe there's small things you can do in your own bathroom to just instantly make it feel better. Maybe there's a tweak in color. Maybe they're fresh new towels or a new shower curtain. We love this one with the tassels on it. It just made it so much fun. So let me know if you take a look around your bathroom, what you might do to upgrade and make it feel more energetic and alive. I'll see you next time. Bye.